it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, my hair looks like this because I'm finally getting my Rëzocut. So me and Grandma are going to be on the way to Utopia in just a minute, so I will see you there. But yeah, I've been loving, the only thing with the Vitacurl line is...
You're using the Tress Effects in Vitacurl?
Yeah.
Okay, so Tress Effects is great, but it's meant to elongate.
Really?
So it could be pulling your curl down.
See, I didn't know that, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to use something different.
Okay. Whatever you think.
For the green.
Okay.
Just for the jet.
Okay.
It has a big difference.
Yeah. Disconnection in there?
No.
Okay.
No. I see right here, there's just like no shape.
Okay.
So that's really what I'm getting at. It's good. I'm not really fixing anything.
Okay.
Right? That's awesome.
Yeah.
You did. And for support.
Yes. And I was supposed to be with Nubia.
Yeah.
Yes.
So she ended up going away.
Yes.
Yeah?
And I was like, well, I'll try and get the next best.
Yes. Yes.
So.
She's in Colombia doing a curl tour.
Really?
Yeah,
That's so
she is.
fun.
She comes back next week, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, like we had this plan since December.
Oh my
So she was like, you can rebook for June. I was like, no, I can't.
No.
I was like, we have plane tickets and rental car. Yeah. So I was like, no.
I'm going to take good care of you.
Thank you. Everyone thinks I color my hair. I've never colored my hair.
Your hair color is so beautiful.
Thank you. No, my dad, like, even though I do hair, like when we were growing up, I have a twin sister.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, does she have curly hair?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So when we were growing up, my dad was like, you have natural hair, like, do not color your
And
hair.
it's so true, you do. Like a natural ombre.
Yes, I know. It's so funny. Yeah, these bangs need help.
Oh yeah, girl.
I like the fullness of the bang, and mine just, they get on my head.
Just hang there.
Yeah.
We're going to give you that nice Rëzo shape. See how much more connected?
Yes. Yeah.
Look at the difference here. How it just,
Oh, wow.
you see the disconnect?
Yes.
And here,
Yeah.
more of a natural flow
Yeah.
between the two sections.
Oh, wow. Products I was using
Okay.
were just not working, and so I just started deep conditioning and doing all that.
Yeah. Who better to bring than grandma? What a great support system, really.
Yes.
Picture already, girl.
Yes. Oh, wow. Now that already looks fantastic.
You guys were premature.
Yes.
Oh my God. It's just you and your sister?
Yeah, that my parents had. And then,
I'm going to have one of the best for your sets.
okay.
Oh yes, girl. We're going to be so good.
See what we got.
And the first thing I'm using is the clarifying shampoo. So we're just gonna get rid of any product residue or buildup.
Okay. Waterworks, the clarifying one?
Yeah. So you can use this like once a month or whenever you feel like you're and if there's anything in your hair that you don't want.
Okay.
Just like sectioning your hair, starting from the bottom.
Okay.
We're gonna be using the climate control.
Okay.
So we're gonna be using the conditioner.
Okay.
And then the gel.
Okay.
And I literally take like the size of like a nickel.
Okay.
And then I'm just raking it through and finger detangling.
Okay.
And then at the end, I use a brush just to make sure all the tiny tangles are out as well.
Right. My Instagram, and she was like, oh, who are you going to? And I was like, Nubia. She was like, when? And I was like, April. So she was like, she won't be there. And I was like, what do you mean? Like, and it was like, this was 2 weeks before my appointment.
Yeah.
So I was like freaking out. I was like, what do you mean she won't be here? So like I caught up here, and the girl said like I gave the wrong number, which I know I didn't, because she looked me up by my number. But I was like, you know what? It's okay.
Yeah.
Like, but I was like, I do hair as well, so it's just like, you know. But I was like, okay, well, who's the next best, you know?
Yeah.
So, and I was like, I can't get a refund on my plane ticket, you know, so might as well still get a cut and, you know, experience all that. Because I haven't got a professional, like, hair salon cut since, I think it was like 2014.
So I'm going to have you,
No,
I'm going
you're
to have
fine.
you feel your hair real quick just so you know what you're going to look for. So
Okay.
it's like really, really like slippery and slimy.
Okay.
And we always try to stay away. What else do you use from WeDan?
I just bought I have the whole Vitacurl line, but the mousse always like leaves these flakes on my ends, like this white residue. It's really weird. I don't know, like even when I use it alone, or like I did the mousse and the gel together, and like it did that too. But I have the climate control, the stronger hold that I like.
One, yeah.
I like that one. And then I have both of the refreshing sprays. And then I have the Vitacurl shampoo conditioner, but I feel like the shampoo from that is kind of drying a little bit. But I like the conditioner.
I would use the cleansing oil.
The cleansing oil? Okay.
Yeah. So I'm going to put a little bit of the mousse.
Okay.
And it's just 2 pumps. It's like the plate curl.
I've been wanting to try that.
Yeah, it's really light.
Okay.
So it feels like there's nothing, but
Right.
it does actually lift your root.
Okay.
So just like scrunch up at your root first.
Yes.
You can do it like by section, like all throughout the hair, but I mostly just do it at the root.
Okay.
On the top. And then I'm just like starting from the bottom.
Okay.
Again. And I'm clipping the hair, and I always just make sure that there's enough water in the hair like before.
Right.
And I'm applying a size of a nickel of that climate control advanced hold.
Okay.
And then I basically rake it through and then shake it.
Yeah.
And then scrunch it.